The VEVOR Underhoist Stand has a high support capacity of 3/4 of a ton, or 6,050 pounds, making it ideal for automotive repairs, such as supporting exhaust systems, shock absorbers, and other vehicle components. This underhoist stand offers an adjustable height range from 43.3 inches to 70.9 inches, allowing for fine adjustments to achieve the perfect working height. The stand features a spin handle with a thrust bearing that facilitates easy raising and lowering, even under heavy loads, and 7 holes on the column for precise height adjustment. Its design ensures stability and mobility, with a large saddle with a rubber pad for non-slip, non-damage work, a triangular base for stability, and 2 nylon wheels for portability. Made of high-grade rugged steel, the VEVOR Underhoist Stand is designed to resist distortion or twisting, and its slender body makes it ideal for tight spaces. The stand is red in color, weighs 27.6 pounds, and comes with a tray diameter of 4.7 inches.